All right, now welcome to SE Custom Designs. I couldn't be more pleased. I'm doing an experiment, putting power to my Husky LEDs, 1400 lumens, on my Duralast. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this battery jumper. I was told that I could jump an 18-wheeler with this guy, and so that's not what this video is about. But if you hear a fan kick on, it's the fan from this thing. So, that being said, giving the unit power, and I'm sure y'all appreciate this, LEDs. All right, we are progressing finally with creating our sleigh bed backboard. And my lovely one, we were just up in her sewing room, and she was gracious enough not only to make this, but to let me video her making this. There's going to be more to come from her. I don't know what she's going to call her YouTube channel, but that's the other part of SE Custom Designs for all these years. Steve and Catherine Custom Designs. I do the woodworking, and she does sewing and so many other things. Didn't mean to use the word sew that many times in one sentence. So, all right, so she follow that series too. This is the mini series. There were 3 videos. There'll be more of how she made this template. Okay, so long story short, you just but look at the videos. She used her overhead projector, which we installed for her world up there, where she doesn't have to no longer print patterns and use up all that ink. She could just cast it down onto either paper like this. You remember this paper from when you were in kindergarten? You traced your bodies out, or right onto the fabric. So, all right. So she was able to make this, and there's that fan. I told you it would come on. I'm going to go ahead and unplug that. And sorry about the interruption. And let's go ahead and plug in the LEDs. There. So she then traced it out. So if anybody's interested in this template, we're going to be rolling it up. It's dated, and it's got all the specifics on it. And we'll put it right there for now. All right. So here it is. This is a 2x12, and I trust that this is going to be plenty strong enough for me to make the 2 side rails, and then we'll put panels between them from approximately here to there. So we'll be able to lean back in the bed, and the lovely one is going to go ahead and put fabric on those panels. So that's going to really be nice. Be sure you follow this series all the way through. And another thing I did, I talked about it in the last video up in the sewing room, but I went ahead and I drew lines across because there was a crack here. And it stopped finally here. So on the 29th, the crack was here. I didn't bother dates before that. And then the 31st, it stopped. And I had this piece and the other piece clamped together upstairs where there's more humidity. I'm down in the wood shop here, and it's winter time, and we're now in 2021, and it's very dry. As you know, you need the right amount of humidity for wood. So, very excited. So the next step for this guy here is we'll just go ahead and cut this and this, and we'll come over to the bandsaw. And this is the 14-inch jet bandsaw. Look up series on that. I've had it for around 3 years now, but that's going to be the perfect tool to cut this out. All right, so that's that. The next part of the video will be videoing cutting that out. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll do our usual course. Oh, we got to promote. We're doing a free giveaway. I'm going to ship this to your house. All you got to do is pay for the shipping, and this giveaway is our way of saying thank you for watching our channel. And we do really appreciate that. So current subscribers and new subscribers, you're even eligible. All you have to do is go to the video, and I'll put the link down in there. In case I forget to do that, it's the Chessmate Dovetail Jig by the company Praza USA. I'm not sponsored by Praza. I bought it's brand new. I never used it. It's a configurable dovetail joint. I've got only, I think, 5 technically. Looks like there may be 6, but the rule is you have to make a comment saying I want to enter to win this thing, the dovetail jig, and then give it a thumbs up, the video a thumbs up. So please give a thumbs up to all the videos. That would help us out. So at any rate, that's our way of saying thank you. And just know that we get back to your questions and your answers and your answers, your questions and curiosities. And I'm going to get back to the gentleman that said, apparently I didn't give enough information on how I fixed an issue with my top knob for the Jet 14. I'm going to get back to you. Yeah, feel free to email me at SE Custom Designs. So at any rate, they emailed me, and I'm going to follow up on that. He has the same issue that I had, and apparently I didn't give enough information, and so apologize for that. It was obvious to me. All right, then we're going to give away this smaller dovetail marker, 1.8. Once again, not sponsored by this company here, which is Veritas. Then we're going to give away this Mini Mag 6-inch height gauge, never used. Okay, it's used for measuring the top of your table saw blade, like this, for calibrating, so on and so forth, horizontal measuring. How about your router bits coming out of your tables, those types of things. So we're going to give that away, never used. Okay, so that's our way of saying thank you for watching. Again, goodbye, shalom uvracha, Hebrew, Mastalami, Arabic, Tutsins, Afrikaans, Zaijian, Mandarin, mainland China. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe, like. We love you guys. Take care.